twerking with it, bruh. Look at her. You gotta just look at her in slow motion. You understand what I mean? You gotta just look at her. You gotta look at her in the slow motion. Look at her. Yeah. She's literally doing it. Yo, she's literally. Oh. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, Straight out of Jamaica. Now we're here with another Gambian reaction. Yeah, I did one like a week ago. I actually didn't remember I did that video, guys, until I see some people start commenting on it recently. I'm like, wait a minute, I posted this video. I didn't know. If you didn't know, I know now. I'm trying to touch on every Caribbean island because I'm gonna be the #1 YouTuber in the Caribbean. So see anyone in the Caribbean come from, comment your flag down below in the comment section to see your comment in the next video that I post. And guess what? I post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. See, I'm out to do that from right now. Okay. Now we have Jizzle again because they said I read the comment section and they said I should try out check out this one. Turn by Jizzle. So I don't know what to expect. Let me know if I don't even know if I pronounce his name right. But guys, another Jamaican YouTuber already kind of do these reactions, Gambian reactions already. That reggae boy, y'all know him. Maybe we know him from maybe my video recommended that film when I saw him find my one. You understand me? I say something. You know? Mutual, we do the same thing. You don't know the chat, but you know some other reaction, boss. You understand? Big up yourself, brother. Big up yourself for the reggae boy. You don't know the chat, you know. I could see what I'm going for the second though, people. Like the video, comment, as I said, to see your comment in the next video that I post. And you ready for entertainment? You ready for the lateness over here, so? I run tune! Jizzle? What? I saw them I do it? Hold on, wait. The ambient things? Them cars are. What? Go on. Few years later. So 3 minutes now. Look, now, can start the video. Press start of the video. Turn by turn. So boom, bam. That was him right there now. My workout hell, you know. You understand? My working now. Watch it now. He's working, right? Bam, transformation. Get rich. Few years later and get rich.
Turn by turn.
Alright.
Everything in life is turn by turn.
Bumbuckle belt. Everything in life is turn by turn. That might make you know. You understand? People, if you don't want to watch the video without me passing and giving my reaction, link to the original song down below in the description. You can go check it out for yourself. But here for the reaction, boss. No. So run tune then, man.
And wait for your turn. Everything in life is turn
by turn.
Turn by
Whoa. You all know I'm getting hot already. But you all know me and them females, right? You all know for the females, right? That's all them females.
Brother man, relax and wait for your turn.
Alright then.
Whoa.
These females looking good in Gambia. What's popping, ladies? But basically what it says that everything in life is turn by turn. So basically first wait your turn, brother. You understand me? Wait your turn. Run tune.
God, turn by turn. Everything in life is turn by turn. Brother.
You all know me, right? Ladies.
And wait for your turn. Everything in life is done by God.
Alright. What a special partnership. Go on.
Turn by turn. Everything in life is done by turn.
Alright then.
Brother man, relax and wait for your turn.
Alright. Whoa. You know what? Let me calm it down and just watch the video. Right? Calm it down, right? Alright, let's go.
It's done by God.
Oh, he switched the language up. Yeah, no, this part. Hold up. He's singing on her ass. I said, see, I react to the music videos, you know what I mean? Because right now he's going to be speaking in a different language. And I'm sure what the language is called yet and all of that. Because this is like my second Gambian reaction, right? So I'm not sure yet. So I guess I'm going to have to learn a new language now, right? But guess what? To be the #1 Caribbean YouTuber, you got to learn it, Tyreek. Anyways, he was sitting on her ass just now. Look at this shit. Woo! Oh, you with Jizzle? The girl named Jizzle? Oh my gosh, let's go. Hey. Oh my I love reacting to the video and the girls and the cars and shit, right? When he's speaking his language because I'm not understanding what he's saying. So I'm just putting it out there for you guys, alright? Like the video, guys. Like the video so the video recommends to more people. You understand? You all know that. That's how it becomes number one. You know? That's how it becomes number one. When you like a video and you support the channel, right? So like the video and comment. Go on. When I'm doing reactions, sometimes I want like try and mouth words, especially when I'm doing the UK when I'm trying to like understand what they're saying. Hey. Why is there not captions available? Is there captions available? Captions unavailable. Ah! Let's go. Me I say punani, no. You said put bonatiwa. What does that mean? Yeah, let's comment what he said in this verse right here. Let's comment what he said. Like, let's comment the verse. I know people do that. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be doing that. But I know, like, when I'm reacting to Trinidad and thing, they be commenting what everything means. I'm like, yo, thanks for the support, yo. Wow, I really appreciate it. Well, let's go. Yeah. She twerking with it, bruh. Look at her. You gotta just look at her in slow motion. You understand what I mean? You gotta look at her. You gotta look at her in the slow motion. Look at her. Yeah. She's literally doing it. Yo, she's literally. Oh my gosh. You gotta look at her in slow mo. Let's go. Wait, what? Oh. Boy.
Wish me well, I will wish you well. If you pray for me, I will pray for you.
Exactly. You gotta give the game. You might say wish you well. If you pray for him, he's gonna pray for you. It's likewise. Give off same energy, again the same energy, right? Let's go.
Cause trouble, I will stay away.
Woo!
If you want to fight, we can fight.
You know I'm looking at the girls, but I heard what he said. Dude said if you cause trouble, he's gonna stay away. Okay? But I'm seeing these females and I'm just like, my head is turning and I gotta be looking. Let's go. Ooh, the nice roast chicken. Oh shit. Black is beauty. Got beat. What? I was gonna say BMW. That's a Benz. They're rich in Gambia, I see. They're rich in Gambia, I see. Yeah.
Everything in life is turned.
Oh wow, hi baby. Oh, what's up? I'm Tyrekevlogs, the reaction boss. Yeah, I like the little feet you got on right there. You look very Africanish. You know what I mean? Yeah, Africanish. Let's go. She looks good though. Working out. Oh! Wait a minute. Let's take a moment to appreciate all these females in this video. Ladies, you guys look so beautiful. Okay. Thank you for being in this video. You don't know how much it means to me, yo. Okay. They're washing the car. They're having a whole little No, this one is pregnant. She is pregnant. The one in the dress is pregnant, and she is drinking. I hope you're drinking water. Baby girl. Let's go. But she pregnant though. I done. Okay. This is a whole vibe. I like this. This is like a whole vibe. They're just outside having a whole pool party. They're also washing the car and chilling and shit. You understand? It's a whole vibe. I like it. Does he have fun like all these videos? Because in the one what I react to, what was that one called again? Work hard. The work one that I reacted to. I don't remember the name of that song. Because I did a reaction. I do so much videos, guys. You guys won't believe how many videos I be posting, man. I sometimes work and pray. Yes, that's what I reacted to, yo. And it was mostly of him, but he was having fun in it too. Like they have a hell of fun in Gambia, I see. Let's go now. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Is he speaking Spanish? Is this what's the language called? Come on. Damn. I don't know. What's the language called? Dude crazy. You see dude singing with the food in his mouth? Bruh, if you choke, I'll be laughing at more for right now. Don't you dare choke. Okay. Why is she looking at me like that though? Why are you looking at me? The girl in the black and white dress, black and yellow dress and white. Look at her, she looking at me. I see you looking at me. Yeah, I see you. Keep looking. Okay. See, if he chokes, I'ma laugh. Look at him sitting with the food in his mouth. A whole piece of chicken and shit in his mouth. If you choke, I'm sorry, bruh. But I'ma laugh. You check out long my videos because I don't like making extra long videos for you guys. You know what I mean? See, I don't like my videos too long because you know people don't have all day to be watching a whole YouTube video. So I'm finna go to like maybe speed it up a little bit. Yeah, we see what we want to see. What happened? Alright guys, it's been a boy Ty, the reaction boss. Thank you all for checking out my reaction. And if you guys enjoy my reactions, guys, please comment some more Gambia songs you want me to check out, okay? And as you can see, I listened to the audience. I saw the comments coming in and I was like, wait a minute, which video is this? You understand me? Because I post so many videos. I post 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. You understand? I'm very consistent. So please subscribe for the most consistent YouTuber, yo. 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. Like, who else is here to do it? Who else doing it? Who else is doing it? No one. So just please subscribe to the boys channel. And I'll see y'all in another video soon. Alright? Peace out.